In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete workflow in n8n. If you've ever tried to remove a workflow in n8n and couldn't find a straightforward delete button, don't worry, that's by design. Deleting is a two-step process that starts with archiving, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can clean up your workspace with confidence. Start from your n8n dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Personal. Go ahead and click that. This is where your account-focused options live, including where your workflows are organized. Next, open the Workflow tab. Here you'll see a list of all your workflows. Take a moment to identify the workflow you want to remove. It's a good idea to make sure you're targeting the right one, especially if you have similarly named workflows, since deletion is permanent and can't be undone. With the correct workflow in view, look for the three dots icon to the right of its name. This opens the context menu of actions for that specific workflow. Click the three dots and choose Archive. Archiving is n8n's way of safely taking a workflow out of your active list before you permanently remove it. Think of it as a soft step that prevents accidental deletions. Once it's archived, your workflow will no longer show up in the normal list. To reveal it, head to the top right corner of the workflow list and click the filter icon. In the filter options, check the box labeled Show Archived Workflow. As soon as you enable that filter, n8n will display any items you've archived, including the one you just moved. Find the archived workflow in that view. Again, click the three dots icon next to it. This time you'll see the option to delete. Select Delete to permanently remove the workflow from your account. You may be asked to confirm. Take a final second to ensure it's the correct item, then proceed. And that's it. You've archived the workflow, revealed it with the filter, and then deleted it from the archived list. If you ever want a precaution, consider making a copy or exporting a workflow before archiving it, just in case you need to reference its setup later. Thanks for watching. If this helped you tidy up your n8n environment, feel free to follow along for more straightforward automation tips, and I'll see you in the next one.